Have you ever been paralyzed by the fear of making the wrong choice only to realize that your caution saved you from disaster? Well, if that's you, you likely have the powerful theme of deliberative. And in today's episode, we're going to explore the Clifton Strengths theme of deliberative, and we're starting right now. Hey everyone, Gordon Aberson here, Superintendent of Schools. On this channel, we take my experience from classroom teacher to school district superintendent to explore all things education and Clifton Strengths related. If this is your first time with us and you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any cool updates or any of our newest episodes. Okay, everyone, in today's episode, we're going to explore the deliberative theme. So within the Clifton Strengths framework, the deliberative theme is a part of the executing themes domain. So remember, the executing themes are all about taking action. It's all about getting stuff done within that theme. So in today's episode, we're going to give you 3 insights about the deliberative theme. They're going to help you maximize your strengths, your talents, and your skills around the deliberative theme. So let's get started. But before we get started, share with me in the comments below, where does deliberative fall within your Clifton Strengths 34? Is it in your top 10? Is it in your top 5? Share with us in the comments below where deliberative is for you, and let's jump right in. All right, so deliberative theme insight number 1, risk mitigation. People who have deliberative high within their Clifton Strengths really understand the importance of being able to analyze and minimize risk. The ability to see what the challenges, the consequences, the circumstances, what those are, and then being able to ascertain and determine how to minimize or eliminate those is a powerful skill set that people with deliberative have. But not only minimizing risk to avoid challenges or negative things, but also when we're able to mitigate risk, we can, in many cases, maximize the potential for success as well. So just because you're engaged in a high level of risk mitigation doesn't mean it's always negative. It can be a very positive thing. And so folks who are skilled in deliberative, that's a natural gift or a natural talent for them. They're able to go through that risk mitigation process and then be able to not only minimize the negative outcomes, but also maximize the positive outcomes as well. So risk mitigation is theme insight number 1 for deliberative. Okay, so let's talk about deliberative theme insight number 2, detailed planning. Detailed planning sounds really, really exciting. But for somebody who's highly skilled in deliberative, it absolutely is. Because having detailed plans ensures or increases by a large amount the opportunities and potential for success. To be able to lay out procedurally, step by step, piece by piece, part by part, and having plans that lay that out maximizes the opportunity for success. And this is what folks who are highly skilled with deliberative, this is what they excel at, is being able to detail those plans out, understand what those plans are, and then be able to execute on those plans as well. So to lay out and increase our chances of success, we want to have those detailed plans, and folks who are highly skilled and talented in deliberative, they're able to bring those plans to life. They live by those plans. It's their superpower. So detailed planning is deliberative theme insight number 2. Okay, let's talk about deliberative theme insight number 3, and that is process orientation. What this is really about is understanding that deliberatives thrive in the procedural, step-by-step process. For them, it is not always, and it's for sure not just about the end goal, but how do we get there? What are the steps? What are the procedures? What are the parts? What are all the parts that make the whole? This is where deliberatives really, really thrive, is building that process and building that step by step in those procedures. Because again, it is not just about the end goal, but in fact, about the process of how we get to the end goal. That deliberative, step-by-step, conscientious way of looking and working through a problem and working through a process is where the deliberatives really, really thrive. So process orientation, not just about the end goal, but the steps of how we get there, and not taking any of those steps for granted in the successful execution of a plan or of a project. So process orientation is deliberative theme insight number 3. Okay, so there you have it. 3 powerful insights from the deliberative theme. And hopefully that helps you understand the power and the importance of all of our themes and all the different gifts and talents that they bring to the table. We want to make sure that we continue to explore the various themes so that way we can add value, we can help you leverage your strengths to be able to take those into your workplace, into your relationships, etc. All right, so if you got some value out of the episode today, check out our free guide, Intro to Clifton Strengths. You'll find it in the description below. Also, if you got some value out of the video today, give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, share it with 10 friends. We want to continue to give resources and get information about our Clifton Strengths. When we know and understand our Clifton Strengths, we'll be at our best. We'll be more effective, we'll be more efficient, and we'll be able to leverage those skills and talents to add value in our lives and in others as well. So as we move forward, continue to check us out, continue to subscribe to the channel, continue to share this with other people so that way we can share it with even more folks as well. And until we see you on our next episode, be well, take care of each other, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks, everyone.